Here at Simply Garden, with over 50 years of gardening experience, I believe in keeping things simple and productive while gardening in your own backyard. I just realized I didn't finish up the cutworm collars, so here's the cutworm collars. I need to put it in here. These are just shirt boxes, gift boxes. I just score it and into base. These are about 1.5 inches by 6-7 inches long. Just put them into a circle and stick them around this, so that way the cutworms will come through and enjoy munching off the celery stalks, which I do that for tomatoes, I do this for peppers, any of the broccoli, cabbages, any plant you're planting out in the garden you want to put. If you have cutworm problems in your area, just simple shirt box or gift box. That's all it's needed, and then I don't even bother when they're all done. They just rot away, and no problem. Just leave them out here. And that's just a little extra tip for you. I'll avoid cutworms.